Hello everyone. In this session, I'll just cover how to deal with graphical bodies. So, if you have the graphical bodies into account, so how to deal with this kind of model. Like, let's say, if you want to create a solid body by using this kind of graphical bodies, what to do in this cases? So now we have one method that is by using 3D sketch. You can see this is the nail which I have just drawn by using the sketch. This is the sketch which I have drawn by using these meshes. You can utilize the 3D sketch option to deal with this. Right now I want to create this cross-sectional area. By using the section view you can do it, and by activating the 3D sketch from here by just using the splines, because even you can use the style spline also, your wish. And you can simply draw the sketches like this by using the node points from the graphical body. Approximately you can choose like this. You can continue dealing with this. So once you complete entire model like this, you can use again one more section view so that you can approximately get that particular shape. And you can, by using the surface tool that is loft, you can just combine these all the steps. But it is quite difficult in the sense, if you're expert in surfacing, you can deal with this. And there are other methods, like by using advanced technologies and all, by just paying to third parties and all, they might convert this one by using other tools. Okay, but if you want to manually do it, this is the one method which I know. Okay, same thing here, as you could see at this location, by using same method, by using this 3D sketch method and by using splines, I have created the sketch up to here, and then I have used the surface tools, that is filled surface, and even you can use the lofted surface, and by defining the proper, like you can add one more line so that you can get a proper curve. Then and all you can do it. Okay, so this is the entire model which could able to see it. Let me just turn off this one. Okay, we can do it. We can get the not exact accurate shape, but approximately, if you desperately need any of the models from this kind of graphical bodies, you can deal with this. Okay, thank you, stay tuned.